yourself in innovation and bloom with Optoma at ISE 2026. When you stand in front of the AI interactive mirror, you are experiencing the very latest AI technology incorporated with Optoma displays. When standing in front of the AI mirror, what is happening is the AI content is being created dynamically with every single person. So every image is different with every person in front of it. What is happening behind the scenes is the AI is being powered by a PC in real time to create a bespoke image for you. Optoma decided to incorporate the AI mirrors into our stand at ISE this year because we wanted people to really experience the very latest AI technology, dynamically giving you something that you can't experience anywhere else using Optoma displays. We hope that by experiencing these real-time AI-driven mirrors, that visitors to the stand will be able to see how technology grows when rooted in curiosity and human connection, and make them want to experience more with Optoma.